Kamiti ya kihoto kana ombudsman mendekithia-ini Nayo kuri kamiti ya mwanya iracirira kamiti ya IEBC irenda Makamishna tatokana na kamiti ya IEBC makoro mari ageni kuma nja ya bururi. Kamiti yo ningi kauga mwikiriri gite wa kamiti yo akoro ari umwe wacio mekwamurwo kuma nja ya bururi.
Why out of 42 million Kenyans we should start thinking of bringing foreigners here to manage our seriously internal issues?
The problem is not whether they are qualified or not. The problem we have in this country is ethnicity, regionalism and sectionalism.
Kamiti yo ningi nirenda Makamishna aria marihoka ira-ini gaka kamiti ya IEBC maheo kanya ga kweheria ofisi-ini. Ona Magavana ni marenda Makamishna a kamiti ya IEBC meherie gukinyiria muthenya wa mweri turorete.
Do you hold an election with experienced commissioners who lack credibility, or do you go for those with credibility who lack experience? The latter is the lesser devil. That the Kriegler report does not say that the commissioners must have at least 2 years experience in the commission.
Magavana na kamiti yo ya kihoto makauga ati a Kenya matiri na mwihoko na kamiti ya IEBC kumana na uthuthuria uria ukoretwo ugitafanio honge-ini ngurani. Ona Magavana ni maugite ati onao matiri na mwihoko na kamiti yo.
They enjoy their full benefits and they qualify for consideration for any other public office that would be that they would apply and they would merit just like any other Kenyans. And we thought that it is important for them to resign by the end of August or even before this committee finalizes its work.
How many people will be required to express themselves? And if there are street protests, how big should those street protests be? How many? For us to conclude that the people have now decided.
Nona kamiti yo irenda muthi wa githurano kinene ukite ndugacenjio.
So the date of the election of the president and the date of the election of the general election are tied in the hip. They must be on the same date.
There is no referendum required to change the date, but the date must be within the 5-year term.
To change the term of the president requires a referendum, then means anything to do with changing this date will require referendum. If we were to change the dates, then the constitutional crisis we are talking about will worsen, because now the current commissioner's term will have expired.
Ona kamiti yo ningi ndirenda muthe wa githurano kinene ukite ucenjio. Na ota Magavana na kamiti yo ona irenda Makamishna cio kuruta wira kwa ihinda, no Magavana makauga ati kamiti o yothe iria muragwo ndikarute wira hari ithurano igiri. Cikaro cia kamiti no ya mwanya cigicokereria Jumatatu ya kiumia turorete kiuria gia kana Makamishna IEBC ni megwitikira kwehera wabici no kio a Kenya megweterera. Na Makamishna ni matanyitwo gakinya mbere ya kamiti no kiumia turorete. Ngirifuatira Inoro TV ri tora kuna masharia wa Gashuru.